hell-bent in getting what it wants. Never mind if it railroads anyone or anything that gets into their way. So ang tanong na dito ay sa taong bayan, do you accept this kind of governance of this administration? Are you willing to sacrifice due process, rule of law, and democracy, which is the one at stake here right now? Well, the mere fact that they already, hindi pa nga kami tapos kay Del Castillo, ito na po kami ngayon kay Corona, and apparently, since they already have the numbers, so it just shows that this administration is really, when it wants something, they can always, and hell-bent on achieving a certain goal, then they can railroad anybody and anything.
Why do you
just
think
to get...
they need this? Why do you to what end?
Well, as far as I'm concerned, I don't know the rationale because I'm not part of the majority, but it just goes to show that it's about time the Filipino people finally speaks out and says and tells, since they're the boss, according to the president, I think the Filipino people should finally speak out and say whether they like that due process, democracy, and the rule of law, which is at stake here, is now being threatened by this administration.
Mga taas kasi sa ratings.
Well, when I say due process, what I mean is there are a lot of instances wherein we can see that due process is not being followed in terms of trying to get accountability from the past. Second, we can already see that the rights are being, the rule of law is already being questioned and being threatened here. The mere fact that it's iniisa-isa po yung mga members ng judiciary. Ang tanong dito, tatanggapin ba ng taong bayan yung ganitong klaseng senaryo na yung konstitusyon na natin mismo ang at stake dito eh.
One survey show mataas.
Well, you know, the survey can always say anything eh, but it doesn't really speak whether that's really the perception of people. So siguro, kung pagpaniniwalaan natin lahat ng survey, siguro tanggalin na natin yung judiciary, wag na lang tayo magkaroon ng courts of law, at kung meron po dapat tayong husgahan kung guilty o not guilty, ibase na lang po natin sa mga survey.
At this point, paano magagawa ng minority?
Well, wala na po kaming magagawa kasi may numero po sila eh. Kami naman po sa Mineryo, sumusunod kami at naniniwala kami sa batas at sa rules po ng House of Representatives. Kaya kami, kung ano po ang pwedeng gawin under the law, yun lang po ang gagawin namin. Kaya makikita nyo, kami sa Mineryo, marunong kami sumunod sa batas.